Bururi wari aidori.
Rakora na durajoka thutha.
Yes. Wari hau oguo.
Matuko maure. Even media. You see umuthiri. There is media on demand. Yes. Wena bundles ya kugorete internet yaku ri. Ni ukwota kwirorera kiria urenda. Tha irio urenda. Yes. Ni uko download taro na season ngima ya probably some good series. Yes. Ka download Blacklist season 1, The Good Doctor. Ka download, you know, even local content. Matuko mana ukavere in the 90s ri. You were reliant on the service provider. Yes. Omanye feed sio kari tare mwewi
once in a week.
Yes. Na rogo ti andwa ige mari kana visen.
Kwari horo wa kana visen rogo ri.
Yes.
You see for one ti matura maige mari thitima matuko acio.
Yes.
So ko imagine horo wa television ri.
Yes.
Was thinking way beyond.
And father mabu. No na nema ina kana vision ka ukagire ti woro sawa niko kale popular ri.
Kale kangongo aredi.
Atune. Kabaka. Ake iguru.
Tacho naka kware kau kai horagia mucere screen-ini.
Na kona bururu theri.
Na hega cicio gacokira gagagiuka.
Which was a scam.
That was a scam.
Detweke karadi.
Detweke karadi.
Iwona moi mutwe ni yeru. Igoti ni blue. Guoko ni green.
That was a scam.
Guoko ngene papa. A scam. Nale kia dirio muno. Yes. Ni wale mali TV yori. One, gutiki mundu wona TV ati from morning to evening.
Ha? What are you?
Onaria mena yo.
Onaria masi.
They had specific segments.
TV ona muno yari yakuno mathaa ma hwaini.
Yes.
Na ni taarifa.
Na ni mwatiragiriria mukashium thiko igiriri mutingecenjia.
And that's a true picture. Your bururi was stagnated.
It had stagnated.
Ati ni mugi a sacrifice re thiko igire tutikuwa na taarifa. After all gutiri undu munene ugikeka kana ocenjia.
Nothing will break. Remwana moro kama itamata wiki na mwako ona ifeed yele murenda kuona. You know the Gen Zs would not understand. Ni wona ake feed mad. Dagika 25 ugakiona mad wengi.
Next week
you have to wait.
Iwona madi no weterere madi wengi. Yes. Odie na mbere na kibindi.
And you know producers ama tuko maure wako weke do ma investor na kyo makisia dekari ne suspense. Hari agiathira gira uga.
Lu no ginya weterere episode
you have to wait. Omenyere mundu ucio kana ne ahorirwo ruhi. You know, I'm talking of people our generation here, the bold and the beautiful. Like you get your name, what is your name? Asa. You get your well, Titoro.
Tira Mùinùkìtie.
Where are you now?
Well, today that is.
And you would see bikini. Today, even girls walk around in bikini.
It's not a big thing.
It's not. Quite get no one but you. Yes. I get all go to my wife for go isiori. Mona dunia wiki hii. Na muke nyumbani.
Rugongo githungu kia ritu hari.
Yes.
Hau niho thogu aigagiriria excuse star.
Yes.
Ithungu ni mwaki iranina. Wa betiri.
There was a sequel, a series. Ya producer called Kibwana Onguso. Mwathi yete kwa weto Mexico. Yes. Korea guthondeka go ifidi cito telenovelas. Korea Telemundo. Maiko training. Moka goko makiandika series ya and for quite some while yeta go Tausi.
Tausi was big news.
It was a big. Ukiwa Sabina ni actor Tausi. Kuna mzee Kasri. Yes. Lindi. Sabina wajiro wachege ndio ageta ndio kana leo yeta godita kana yeta guo
yeta godita
yeta kwari city Lindi Rita akidiai ka Sabina yeta wote but she was in there mwiro rogira kipindi kimwe licha you have to wait for the other Sunday.
Mweterere wiki.
Yes. Na aria no maigua ithungu kidogo kana the wannabies. Nimeroragira Texas Ranger Chuck Norris. Yes. Otigia hii kureirwa TV Sunday muone duni.
The cartoon.
Cartoons used to run only on Sunday exclusively.
Temuone cartoon.
Temuone dono didak. Na rodirana.
Nigetha mugeka atia.
Mohegio niki. Mukiona toruru.
Yatagwo toruru.
Nesi anaona kira toruru ni na ihiga.
Thogu akuona taarifa hwaini.
Akwira atiri. Mwetagira no ikiru ta vitibi ciari njega na fionja. Tondu vitibi ni athiraga. Mwetera the next episode. And vitibi is still running on KBC on Mondays. Neo ni athiraga. Yes. Mwetera riu wengi ama.
Ya made wengi.
Vionja makamani. Mwana audie kinyuka kuota ohuo. Agatwirwo kunyongwo mukamwona made ni wengi ariuka.
Mathita ngojeru.
Unastakiwa kwamba mnamo tarehe 20 mwezi wa 8 ulipatikana na kosa la kumchapa na kumnyang'anya pesa zake Alphonse Makacha Don Mwaka. Unakubali?
Nakataa mwesemewa.
Uko na swali kwa shahidi?
Niko na swali. Tumesawa ipatana. Have you ever seen me on Obama Nigidi? On the Enka Yokakuta Obama Nigidi.
Alexander Josephat? Yes, Mojamoa. Kwa jero tuero kwa tutika ya pio atrasyo ni mohagu.
Pio.
Yeah. Hanmabuga oi.
Kinyere kilo masegera.
Garama kwake. Akiro. Koti hii imekupata na hatia na kufunga kifungo cha miaka 3 ama utoe fine ya shilingi 1200. 200 niko nayo mheshimiwa. Shilingi 200 tunalipa wapi? Akiro ni 1200. Ati 1200. 200,000. Shafasari mtunyonge pasi. Fasari mtunyonge. It's still also running vioja mahakamani. Idio TV. Restoring. Lipo kwa restoring ni athira mati enuvu.
Tando akenaga.
Kana mwero na ile restoring. Mukaigwa he undu moi araheana live.
Mukamba gucuhurirwo restoring.
Idio moi hana karangwa tura live.
The news no akoragwo ya item number 1.
And he will take a comfortable 10 minutes. Mukirwo uria ageithanirie kanitha Moi High School Kabarak na ukara ho muhunjia ndagika 5.
Mtukufu
Rais Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi hii leo ameungana na wananchi na waumini katika shule ya Moi High School Kabarak kwenye ibada ya Jumapili, akihubiri kuhusu uwiano wa kitaifa, utangamano na kuasi ufisadi. Mchungaji Kip Koril aliwasihi waumini na Wakenya kuzingatia maadili mema katika nchi. Kwa hivyo nataka niseme Kenya is a sovereign state. Yale yote tulio yafanya nyakati zile ni maendeleo. The same thing.
Dakika 12
na mwana hata moye hau. Yes. Na moya ya mwana kama kaigwa. Motoko rais uyo ne kama ngore. Motoko rais. The only person who says Motoko rais today is who?
Atuoli.
Francis Atuoli.
With no apologies.
He has no apologies.
Mtukufu rais. Yenzi matigi gogo.
Hidio waigua mohoronta mahana na there was nothing new.
Waasi wa Chechnya hii leo wameuteka mji wa Fallujah kupitia waasi wa Tupac Amaru rebels. Vita vikali vimeibuka katikati ya Bosnia na Herzegovina
Na bara cia Gaza tisia ira.
Vita makombora yameweza kurushwa vikali katika ufidhi wa Gaza yakielekezwa na Israeli kulingana na taarifa za Yitzhak Rabin.
Tuigwa mundu jwa mohoro litakora oko.
Rais wa Marekani George Bush wa pili kuzuru nchi ya Nigeria. Haya ni kwa mujibu wa Associated Press. Taarifa nyingine ya habari nitakapotimu saa 1.
Ndio kwa uraoro boro wa kanu nigetha muigue mo.
Alafu news ile. Andora moka news ile kwa jatongoria. Same people. Nyayo.
Yes.
Professor George Saitoti.
Kamotho.
Kuria
Kanyingi. Etawatia. Haji. You know he was a PC of Rift Valley. Kwa Nyayo. He used to feature a lot. Yes. Mudu wa mutisia. Ndio ona gati.
Carlos Torwa.
Ndio ona gati akihogi. Etawatia wa mukuru weine. Kagusia. They have access to media. Oruteko.
No. Kama wewe sio mtu ya mkubwa au
kama wewe si mtu ya mkubwa unakula giza kabisa. Enda ukaongelesha watu kwa manyumba zao. Opposition had no space
at all
in the media. Aiwa,
polisi wamewakabili vikali waandamanaji na maadui wa serikali.
They would get a script of how to describe demonstrators.
Batiri shikuku alimobugo wako ne Butere.
And shikuku is the one who had dug his own grave. And bought his coffee. Oh, let me tell you. Then exposure yani nini.
Muno.
Yes. Kwaja aiko ado mafutago mohoro-ini ma thaa 7. Rais Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi.
Hii ni taarifa ya habari mkusemewa na mimi Martin Kingasia. Jina langu ni Edward Kadilo. Jina langu ni
Etawati Oriogi.
Hamisi Themo. Rais Daniel Toroitich Arap Moi amewaachisha kazi mara moja.
Ginyafuto maiguagira news ine.
Aya wala kwe mo minister avutirwo na thia function kuruguria kindu aria mare ku makinyiro ni uhorori akinya hau mamwire ndaga ikare hari u maikarire akiro ikare handu ni ekuheo irebeta. Exposure was near zero. There was a veil, literally. Yeah, information. Ministry of Information was informing us about Moi.
And the government.
They had a Ministry of Information. It was a very basic ministry. Informing what? Reure tugithoma horo wegie the tribes and sub-tribes they were the then GHC.
GHC ni ya millennials.
The
later generation batikorete GHC.
Ona digwezi ya muthoni ni akorete GHC. Akorete GHC.
Ni moso.
GHC. Geography, history.
Mizenzi.
Hizo unauo.
Tulifanya social studies.
Au kuandikiwa kukushora wako mapo kaulizwa what is the right economic activity of this people.
Tiwa tirika ya GHC.
GHC yatwekiria social.
Iri wetagwo social studies.
You know there was geography, history and civics. Yes. Hiyo ni ale GHC.
Na riu kigeranio yetagwo GHCR.
GHCRI. Na kana GHCRI. Ndio ndo ndo tugithomeire guku ni kwa na Islamic religious education and we had a few Indians ni kwa na HRI. Yes. Hindu religious education. Yes. Tugithoma ni ohoro wegie tribes ri. There were some descriptions that you would match. Yes. The hunters and
gatherers.
Long distance runner. Nomadic pastoralist.
Yo muno mari ukabi.
Those were plain nylons. Reeferic nylons. Fishermen. Yes. Oithu bantu watu ikatwiki. Farmers.
Farmers.
Is farming. Yes. Not hunters and gatherers. Hoka kurikirira ithu millennials. Because there's a time boys used to literally be boys. Yes. You know, millennials need a generation social media, and we would convert anything into a game.
Yes.
So we had very mischievous.
We had to create our own fun.
Yes. We were very mischievous, but very respectful. Yes. Don't wakoraga ihe siagi.
Ndecianyita na tari uguo kwi holiday ya thukuru.
Yes. They would have a K9 unit.
Timu ya ngui.
K9 nĩ rũhonge rũrĩa rwa bũrũri rũkoragwo na ngui nĩ mareraga mĩgo mĩgo yakinyanĩra ĩgakombainwo and they would go on a hunting escapade.
Yes.
Yes. Na ĩyo nĩ kwarĩ warie mũingĩ mũno wa mĩtitũ. Yes.
Kwarĩ o ithaka we.
We wendagwo tu qualification yaku ko join the hunting troop nĩ ngui.
You must come.
Yes.
With a hunter.
Wale haka gite gaku iyo niyo AK.
To join the troop.
Yes. Na troop leader ni arora yakona kagui gaku ri. Nimo kaima nginya irio.
Kagui kagumira ni ngaragu.
Ona nekara hana ta center boruti.
Nikanago handu ha kuhita nikahana kuhitwa riko na kaugiririe wai.
Yes. Gwisia kwita handu yainainaga oguo kona. Yes. No ti kau kana stamina. Ni wacokagio mucii ukahunangio curu.
Ni ukaruga ngira.
Yes. Ni mukwerwo muthimuka mwambe mwondirwo na minyo yako.
Ugoka ihita ria kimera kiu kingi.
Yes. No, there was someone who used to assess. Na kahetokia kagiti.
Ndocio niwe wari the chief criminal of the village.
He was the chief goon. He was the outlaw.
Ndocio akora riu hari troop ya ngui ici.
Yes.
We ena ngui more than one.
Ona inya. Na ne njuru. Na ne simu igwete piu.
Muno.
Ni aocakithia na no, ngiona maundu ta mau na yezi ari.
Hapana.
Imwacemanagia handu. Mukena turaigira ku. Forest.
Turaigira forest.
Yes. Na ngui ici cia uthekari, it was like the colonial model. Mukaigira forest. Ngui nicio icio iria. Ndu ngui mwasi uthagira ni undu wa thaha. Yes.
Mwabari mwacemania riu ha turupu mutana kura ri.
Yes.
Turupu leader agakeheana rules cia mission.
Itinerary. Yes.
Ugatuika he gathia konekete guku thiko ici
thiko igiri
na gacokete kuyumiria ha githaa gia thaa 7 thaa 8.
Yes.
Karaumirira hana
na ni turenda tugatue
gitoero.
Yes.
Riu mukerana weng'ania na ng'ania.
Yes.
Na ngui cianyu muingirire yake anda
ndio
nawe
Sarothi nawe na Samson wanyu na Kwizia tawa Samson na Taska na Bosco mugera karui sawa
muthie na rui.
Yes. When the platoon leader is giving the formation.
Yes. Uria muthie
the attack formation. Yes. Mukiro muthire ya rui inywe na inywe ri thie iburoti muharurukire haria he mieu nigetha kangekuwa mandoro ini yo yako ugitua bari mweke atia
mukigamena line ya forest.
Yes. Murire mwena uriku
mwena ucio.
Yes. Formation yo drakwira most of the time it would yield fruit. Yes. Why go Ana kwa menya goitora ni muthire ihita tondu there would be no boy around.
Gotire ihe na gotire ngui.
There was one wayward girl who would join the forces. Na kesho ale kimoda ni muyetu ahura ihi okana ngui ciake igire kwanja micire wakora gutire kihi Ngai ni arahura muyetu umwe
Karoga maithenya riu.
Akaroga maithenya yake.
Kia muci ucio.
Yedi, ya ithe. Oka na ngui ithatu. Ukaigua we wanja. Wanja riu we. Ngui cia nyiri ko cinjaga. Uguthie ume na cioko. Nuona na kore go ngetheire mikungugu. Yes. Ere uri igua makufia. Mwarahuke.
Muke na ngui cianyu.
Na wama kana kora platoon ni tinene. Riu no akoraga click ka wanja niko
kanyita nyamu.
Na ndirakwira ngui icio cia you used to map out. Muga cluster. Motito. Ugakora you have sealed all the
loopholes.
Yes.
Mukamenya kanyamu keirie no.
Yes.
Riu ni kuhungura.
Ndirakwira thia yarahukaga oguo. Ukaigua yagiongi. Na ngui cio the instructions were the troops now come together.
Yes.
to bring down
the animal.
Ona waja kihiyukiire kule.
Na kena rudures.
Kiugete
kaigua Nimeona.
Yukite na kulia muri.
Mukaubuthuka.
Yes. Karoga ne cianyita. Mwethi mukarora cianyita mbuku. You possess.
Gwira wathiragira kunyita.
Hau angeisa the mercy of the masters. Icio ni nyite. Inegere muna. Yes. Resikia kana mukani ni ciaheagwo mara. Cigatigerio tumara tunini. Just a snack. Yes.
Yokerio gatho ya ihita.
No cingĩanyitire kĩndũ formidable ta thia. You see indo mwarugagira kũu mũtitũ.
You see that is illicit meal.
It's very illicit.
Mutingĩtwara muciĩ.
It's actually game meat.
Rĩu ti cia gũtwara muciĩ.
Ũngĩamenyio nĩ mwanyita thia rĩ. You know what would spread around. Ona he andu tu oho menda okumuthuka igua nimanyita thia ulaki ithe wa mugima wa andu gukwa kanua kenua
magwetereire tuhite
kenua agia no ta kurima oteire mugunda
aihuritie ruthiru mugunda kianda
mukaigua riu mami wanyu aheo instructions anere na kayu Kamau mabatia thieo na ihenya mukariguo wothe heo oria mwekire ngui cianyu noguo mugwe
mutunyo you a catch.
Yes. Karehe thia thoguo akiwatemereia amboere Nita kaba kamethesha itaki
kame
akajira gwatha nyama atoe ciumire
nyama atakuhitite
hindi gukwena ngui 77 the troops
iria ciuma ihita.
Yes. No mwaka mundu ore soja ake kana mesawa
Yes. Inake troop leader eke head count gutiga kohe mundu kwamire githaka.
Exactly. Mako na policy ya US ya masoja leave no man behind. Yes. Ndako ya state ya kwa nyameyo
thi ya mutingiarekirwo
yokaga mami wanyu yo cia gitoero.
It is forcibly acquired
by the state. Yes. They got to take a communal meal.
Tonya.
Yana itike nyitirie thia.
Indio nywe muibite
tondu mukura mbica uria mukuria nyama. Sie theri.
Iyo na mutingi hugurira githeri muthenya ucio.
No. You would have a change of meal.
Aposesi thia
niba kumiatha
na we rĩrĩa nyama theri
wega
yangiamba kuhutania na indo ici ingĩ cianyu cia mũgũnda.
Hapana nyene nye mukumakirio nyama na mugurugucu. Boys like that don't exist.
Leo ni gumu sana.
Gumu zaidi.
Gumu sana.
Maigira mutito maoka na thia ade. Yes. Nyama.
Na ngui hacio na imwe hiana nginya ta ciena koboto ni ikurikite itombo ya
Wele cikwa bete gwikira kaba mwena orio
Yuri nyamu yarahukire situikanirie itombo ya
wega ciamba cia me disable cia me slow down cigicioka ciekete atia
cimegwete
and even dogs like that don't exist Guisha di questa che gli tagli nyauko.
Deko na sia huni.
Yes. I tell you. Yes, no idea uno ne muagifada.
Ne daga ideka.
Ya koi. I got the worst case scenario was encountering a porcupine with unskilled dogs. Silikuwa zinapigwa spikes zienda nyumbani before the mission ends.
Ihìta Mùciari Amenye tan tragic.
Porcupine ne jege. You know jege. A rare approach was not effective.
Na leo gui mwana sio todo ne inexperience.
Yes.
Sia via go blindly.
No, yeah, who dead soldiers?
Na bado no mwathiaga ihita.
Yes.
Na rikaga go succeed. Mukaino kogu.
Oguo. With your soldiers. Mukaga another day, another time.
Kana riu mwahita nyamuri.
Yes.
Ekauma your territory iri itura rianyu.
Yes.
Ekaruga itura ringi. Mwathi kuria muka encounter soldiers cia kou.
Yes.
Hakamba hakage akara.
Yes. Muka encounter hostility from neighboring tribes.
Tondu aria ni barona riu ni mwaingira territory yao.
Na mwamarehereria nyama.
Yes.
They have to defend their frontier. Those were the days.
I tell you.
That's a very interesting observation kuba we Father Mwangi. Leo ndege meciragia ati the porcupine ati ni guikia ikagia migui.
Acha tigo ikia.
No kire ekaga ri yamba ekahingura turbo. Ya igura turbo
Egatho ngaihenya.
Guish kongera speed. Igacoka ekagutha ima.
Egacikinyira emergency. Na cio ngui goka.
Yakiro emergency gatigwo na ke?
Igatigwo na migue.
But it does not throw spikes. Ona gutie mundu uri wone geiki. No kuo mauga ne ika.
Ni ikagia.
Yes.
Ni gutengera ba gutengera. Yatengere gakinya emergency.
Ikaranga emergency. Guici kwa. Sikivau no magigi.
Mutheri wa tungata wa thitima ya Kenya Power.
Dear, since it is Thursday,
More than a Thursday.
Yes, and we go back to the memoirs of then. Dear, and we have had that conversation here. The very bright students, yes, and the bright were mostly not the most opulent, yes, the geniuses, yes, looked back and decided either monoko keke turuta haria ke
haria turi
mutondo ni uria turi wa thina ingiago thoma ndirutanirie we might be stagnant for a while ni wakere average students that did not give a hoot. Yes, and there are those who were resigned to fate. Yes, the E-class. Not the E-class, ya beji.
The gari.
The executive. Not the excellent. No, just ya desi. Ya na ya resigned to fate. Asho na mona hata manado mera ma asiari.
Na mora gia me akega thirari.
Yes.
Tume guku tuthi undu ungi. Mwana thukuru ekimanangira mahinda.
Yes. And my inspire go muno ni andu matathomire na mena indo. Magona ngania ne watu. Na noe wiga mucogia.
Nenda huru seru.
They used to look for something called consolative inspiration. Yes. And so there is a chance for someone who is an academic dwarf.
Akiuga ndo ti umwe maisha-ini.
Yes. And I always say narrative you adwa mu makoragwo nayo ri. I don't support it. Kuna ndo mwe agoko tutiathomire na ni ithu aya. You are lucky. You are lucky. Ale mara ko batho.
Uri ogota guthoma mareke athomi. You just never know.
Absolutely. Leo no wakoraga ri. Jesse no ya resigned to faith ri. Eno ya local inspiration ri. They used to wonder and wow makarigo hari mundu raithirania githomo. Yes. You see there was always that one or two pupils mwe pre maleka na secondary they used to you know they are the frontier. Yes. Here to mind gauge aga mwalimu on a very very reasonable conversation during class time. Yes.
Ni kuri mundu warugamagiu argument.
Yes.
Kana koria kiuria.
Yes.
Thothe makarigwo tatiga
ukona mwalimu haria blackboard ni ri andikite ukaigwa
what is it?
Excuse me teacher.
Yes.
I think there you are wrong.
Where?
Mukarigwa tiri who is this? Today the oracle.
Where, Kenneth? Where am I wrong?
Sir, to start with, when you want to convert moles into molecules, you first divide or multiply by the Avogadro's number, which is always 6.02 or 10 to the power of 23, sir. At excuse me. Excuse me. You see, step 3, you are supposed to now multiply that to 10 to the power of 23, sir, so that you can get the molecular mass of the mole as 81. You have not employed Avogadro's principle, sir.
Oh, you are very attentive.
Is that so? Jamani wakaji yana kwe. Okay. Can you come and do it on the side here we compare? Kona giyo kirana shock.
Kaigirira ithabu.
Kiandika hau ginya anakina mwena wa rafu wa blackboard ni. Avogadro's 10 to the power of 23. So, sir, you realize that if you use this formula, which is the Avogadro's number, your answer of 16 would actually be 15.85. What is this saying? What is this saying?
Yes, yeah, this. We go to Tene Mùinùkìtie ore athiete.
Yes.
Has no idea.
Yes, yeah. They are totally lost. Don't ne ma divertire meciria mao kuri kiria gikurugwo kwao.
Mundu waigua mole. Kiria ciragia ni huko.
They would poise and sit patiently. Haria marerwo riu. Haria mage participate haria meragwo atiri. Can you clap for Gathaiya? That is their humble contribution. Mwaka ramulo jumuko na tare wa riumba.
Mata bunge no guthia.
Okay, Muruto. Excuse me, teacher. What is it, Sharon? According to what you have said, I think it is quite misleading. You see, when you look at the historical analogy of the Portuguese conquest of East Africa, teacher, Rui Lourenço Vasco was sent after Vasco da Gama failed to conquer the East African coast. So there is no way Francisco de Almeida can have been there before Rui Lourenço Vasco. So logically, if you look at the historical histology, the person that was supposed to be in between Vasco da Gama and Rui Lourenço Vasco is Pedro Alvarez Cabral. I stand corrected, sir.
Tiga Vasco da Gama ri.
Vasco da Gama nto muyu ana wa kio ici.
Asiage Mario.
Who are those other idiots?
Imagine yasema ya hari.
Yes.
Rimwe ni yake challenge mwalimu. Na through mwalimu off balance.
But way off. Na mwalimu would not take that lightly.
Nune mwalimu nake aba athake na psychology ya jure.
Yes.
Aba kumuhuritheria ruhina kumbugana.
Yes.
Recollect.
Na kamori ya trere. Gumwekitagia on purpose nyone.
Na mwea teti.
No. Those people would make you look clueless.
Randaless.
I ask you, do protons have mass? Somebody, not you, Kamade, not you, Sharon. You're always the ones answering. Do protons have mass?
Warogoro.
He said I did not even know they are Catholic.
Shanzi.
Wewe mitha.
Masiri yao ene ya mitha.
Jano ya dauta okariwa tiri.
Ando amuthomagiro kirathi kimwe.
Are you a complete male Homo sapien? You would doubt your rational faculty.
Homo erectus.
No, hata hiyo protons na mass ni kiri. No aliga what were you thinking? Sikujua hata sinakuwa Catholic.
Ona boko rara.
Gari ya seji ya mutu. Wazazi wako wanasema wamekupeleka shule.
Kazi hapa ni kukula githeri.
Ano yondo kiacho kiria kiuria. Ginya jesi yaku ya thecire. Mone ni wa overdue.
Olimo.
Ginya wa matheke. Mone no, you tried to guess.
No athie muno.
You even failed at the art of guessing. But somehow, somewhere, here we are. In God's good earth. You see the problem with the technical subjects and the mathematics and sciences.
Kama hujui.
There was no room for guesswork. You know, it's like in the study of medicine. And I'm magira medicine. You know, if you do not know a question in the study of medicine, you don't attempt. We'll get them to your marks is your sure. Because it is equivalent na kogesi go treat mo.
Yes. Kama hujui wewe.
Wachana nayo.
Nikuria thuvenda giria ria ngiguya magithoma.
Atia we. Mundu warugamagia mwalimu akamuna sa when you look at the evolution theory as you have explained, you have skipped the medieval years. The Neanderthal man was there before the Cro-Magnon, because as Louis Leakey states in his book that I have read, the Kenya Pileus was not discovered until Cro-Magnon analysis was done, and they did carbon dating, which established that he existed 3 million years ago.
Carbon karea Muciari Amenye no karea mwalimu ahuthagira.
Body paper. Okay, where is he getting all this? Gine mwana atare oguorio kuma iguru.
Ugacoka ririkare mundu aigateirwo fithi wiki ithatu.
You are just hovering around. Moyo kamera mikondoro yao. And eating their food. Muciĩ mweri.
Kaide wendo. Joy Millers Limited.
Reure. Comfort. Comfort then and now. This is your mother. Even if you don't have a lot of money, netukona ga statement ke wakauga atiri. Nie dikora ciana uria ndarerirwo. So we struggle in our own small ways.
Every generation yugago.
Yes.
Muno ndangirera ciana ciake uria arerirwo.
Yes.
Na ndangenda ciana ciake irie thina uria we ariire.
Exactly. Kana bare ria tukirio. Some of us are from the Holocaust. Leo ndio kora in our own small ways. Niwethagira ciana comfort. As basic as it can be. Ithwe tukirera onati tene ocio ri. Comfort was not even a concern.
The comfort. Uraheo comfort nigetha ki?
Utuike comfortable nigetha ki?
Liga utuike
Are you a king in waiting? Are you a duke?
Of Edinburgh?
Are you a government officer? Are you the Duke of Mershire?
The comfort.
Tenerin. And I think no yo thikwisha ndo matiragia ciana nyingi.
Acha riu tita tene.
Radio na rwogo gakora ona mundu akite a simple house in a space wakora tuwe na ciana igire ithaka iretu na kahii. Ugakora o kana kena bedroom.
Especially ruweko ne kahina kairetu.
Yes.
O mwana na bedroom yake.
Yes. You know statement star. Tatiko wasikoi. Ororego ile sina giko.
Teko wa.
Tatiko wake mani.
Ginya nyumba eretanio nawe.
Yes. Atuko maitore. Oh, taikarata tuegethwa. No ria muthwa. No ria muthwa oekanagira haha riumerero. Watakanagira hau. Oyokirwo guo naguo ona. No. Atugie bedroom yaku.
We wiki.
Oh, okay. Who are you?
What are you?
What are your credentials? Kariwe wale rejiko kugira gatiba.
The bedroom yaku.
Aturi ukora nginya riu muthi urakora kana ni kariru uriri waritwo shuka. Yes. Wa ukomera afu akwehumbira muringitia shukonge iguru
kana duve.
Those were unimaginable luxuries.
Shuka. You cannot shuka. You could not fathom.
How? You would all be bundled into one bed.
With not very clean blankets.
Yes. And not very good material. They would wear off. Na mwanganganagira murengetio cio na bea.
Na kuhetana no kunyita gicure kira gitari gitaruku.
Yes. How no mwamenya oria kwira bea ni na ndarwa na ki?
Aigutha.
Tono akora riu. Murengeti wanyu no twekire sleeveless.
Murengeti ni twekire wa moko makuhi.
Riu mwahotha maguru. And you see, it was a more complicated setting.
Then you see, mutigege thondekirwo ati ningi uriri munene ati 5x6.
Okay, so that what can happen?
Iyo kigete mwena wari.
No. Ni wari uriri ta bodira. No, the way you are Miguchokiri. It would gather all of you at the center.
Vamos a canageria.
No, my Maria, I'm going to talk with you. Oako ni urumire muru wanyu kwa kiara kire ngi yakuguru kiroto kiriari. Let's go. Let's go.
Tazaro.
Let's go.
Go no ma.
Ya, ara otire akiromithio kuku.
Akeria ke hakuhi.
Yes. Tororete na kuria maguru maku megethete mari. Ithio tokiragio nĩ tha. Pata mũini wa rwĩmbo karagũ wa mũraya.
Nĩ tha. Bedroom yako. Who are you?
Where is that space? You see mwĩciana ithathatũ.
Kana mũgwanja.
On a bedroom nĩ cikoragwo cia igĩrĩ. Which was rarely the case. Tondũ nyũmba ya erori. Kũrĩa ũkĩrĩ gwa thoguo. Kũrĩa gwetagwo kũ? Kũrĩa. Ĩno ĩngĩ nĩ sitting.
Master is master.
Ya kũhakania commoners.
Na mwene kuo.
Kuma hau rĩ nĩ bedroom. Ha erorari was always reserved for things we cannot explain. Either store or you could not afford a bed to put in that
room.
Ona nĩ yarĩ mũrango wa nja to nĩ yakagwo ina prospect ya ihĩ cia rua rĩ.
No cikome kũu.
No ciambe ihoerio kũndũ kũu. Rĩu wakora bedroom, the ideal setting. Bedroom ile dirisha ndĩrĩ mwena ũyũ. Haigagwo rĩrĩ hau na harĩa. Kwisha.
Bas.
Mũgacoka mũkoya mũhĩndo mũgakĩria gĩkĩngĩ-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa nyũmba na kĩrĩa kũrĩ wa ũcuria ngu.
Ĩyo nĩyo wardrobe.
That is the wardrobe. Ĩyo nĩyo walk-in closet.
You joke a lot.
Na rĩmwe nguo icio kambe ngĩatuĩkire no aigua hata gũka tsunami wĩtoro.
Nĩ yatuĩkaga.
No nguo cia tene gĩcagi ciarĩ nditũ nĩ ũndũ wa tĩri. Aigua
na mũhĩndo ũcio watuĩka rĩ.
Yes.
Ningĩ kũbanga nguo icio warĩ wĩra. Tondũ bedroom ici nacio they are not very well lit.
And you see the floors were earthen. Nguo icio mũtingia citigire thĩ. To gũkora mũthũ. We used to sleep in habitats. Ona mwayo kĩra ũguo rũcinĩ ũkora nĩ ũndũ wa kĩndũ gĩtagwo phototropism. Hembo ũcio rameri. Ĩgĩetha ũtheri ĩgathũndia mĩtwe-inĩ. No, you would be bundled in a safari-sized bed.
Tiarĩ comfort.
Na ũtiarĩ gender. Nĩ mũthũmũcanio.
Especially room rĩa nini.
Rĩa nini. See, when you started going into puberty, that time you would
be separated.
They would find like a formula. Ndĩrakwĩra he ũndũ mwako man comfortable. Nginya nyau yanyu ĩkeringĩrĩria ĩkaga comfort.
No, bedroom kwarĩ gwa ũthiĩ ũkomete.
Aca nĩ wĩrekie
ũkome.
Yes.
Harĩ ũrĩa arahũkĩra wĩigue rĩ.
Yes.
You wake up. Ũkĩrĩ ũkehang'ia.
And move.
Ũrĩa ti mũndũ aikarĩte ũrĩrĩ.
Ũgĩka atĩa? What are you? In fact, bedrooms citũ hĩndĩ ĩyo rĩ, they were dark day and night.
Ona ũgetha kĩndũ rĩ.
Yes.
Wagetha kũringana tondũ nĩwe tũigaga haha.
Exactly. You used to wahũthagĩra kĩndũ gĩtagwo instinctive
search. Ti ũkore mwana tena bedroom yake.
Ona bedroom yanyu rĩ, mũgĩthiĩ toro rĩ, mwathiaga na tawa. Meigĩrĩra rĩ, ũkahũthwo ũmwe rĩu ũgũcoka na ndu.
Taothi master.
Atware tawa rĩu kũrĩa HQ. And then he fumbles his way
in the darkness.
Kaigua arangĩte nyau.
Tawa rigagia HQ. Mwathi toro.
The only situation ĩngĩa necessitated tawa ũcio wakio tuku nĩ invasion ya kĩndũ ta thuraku. kana kugie na muhuhu ati kwa gukone kuingira ki nyoka
otherwise bang magire bwikire Dubai-ini
akora mwaingira uriri wikitwo tukobo twa mikebe ya blue band
Rewe nako.
Na ne mwana mau matiarĩ nati.
Aca.
He ũndũ mathondekagwo na dowels. No. You know, Muthoni might probably not have that experience. Or maybe she does.
Yeah.